Hi guys, this is the next day. This is the tail. We're just making a fox. And you know this is a fox where we need to buo it. Okay. Okay. Mommy, like this.
Dito.
Yeah. Now it's number 2. And you know this is a fox guy. Well, need to free out.
What number yan? Number 2. Tikit mo dito. Yan. Oops, baba mo konti. Hindi pantay. Dapat pantay dyan, saka dito. Tikit mo muna. Tingnan mo kung pantay ba sila. Hatak mo. Hatak mo. Hindi pantay dito konti. Sige, pwede na yan. 3. Asan ang 3?
Okay, it's number 3 now, guys.
Okay,
Very
sige.
hungry now.
Kaya mo yan ha. Dito muna ka. Very good. Lapit mo konti. Go.
Ano ko pa yan?
Sige.
Ano ko pa yan?
Oh, that's next.
Now
4
is
or 5?
this.
Very good.
Ay, siya yan. Tagal na ako gumawa.
Kuya Divan. Walk. Now is
Okay.
mahal doon.
Sige. Sige. Titingnan mo muna. Tingnan mo kung magkatabi na sila.
Hindi pa.
Eh, paano sa taas? Hatak mo.
Now it's number, what's number 6? It's number 5, guys. We almost done. Yay. We have activity next time again. Then see you next time when you forgot to say that. Okay? I was also have that. See you next time. Bye. And that's you guys. What is? Up. Okay.
Lapit mo.
Kita mo.
Lapit mo dito.
Guys. Ay. Sige.
Sige, go.
Ay. Hindi siya umuupo dun si taas.
Kasi kinam-hold dito sa taas. Tapos i-hold mo rin dyan sa baba.
Guys.
Show us.
Hindi pa.
Ay na yan.
Pagpas.